It is now probably the best time to buy into the stock market, and world markets are currently experiencing the early makings of a possible bull market rally. According to fund manager, founder and managing director of Capital Dynamics, Tan Teng Bu, who has 38 years of stock market investing experience with him, says that a present bull rally will be able to ride on.
So the mood is still pretty ugly, and I suppose that's where we are becoming excited. So it is still, to answer your question, it is still in the very early stages.
Despite an earlier report by the HTV in which Prudential opined that the current stock market rally is a bear market rally, Tan takes a contrarian point of view instead and points out that the economy, which moves in cycles, will move up again.
It is the case, always the case, they will panic buy, and they will set the stage for a non-bear market rally. And when that happens, then the bankers will sit up, hey look, come on guys, we've got so much free cash in our balance sheet and we are not earning much money out of it, why don't we start lending, because things are not that bad anymore. So then when the bank, the major impact of the Lehman panic is a freeze in credit markets throughout the world. Immediate freeze. And when the credit market froze, then business activity came to a standstill almost immediately. So when you have the opposite, when the bankers start to move in a lemming-like manner, then you'll find that the economy is going to be driven by lending again.
He also adds the current rally in the stock market is because of improving economic indicators all over the world, including in the US.
Green shoots are appearing, and he's forgotten to mention that bamboo shoots are also appearing in China, and now shoots are coming out everywhere. Economic statistics in almost every economy in the world now is beginning to look much more positive.
He says China has a lot of potential in leading future global growth because of the sheer size of that country, and China will offset the deleveraging in the UK and the US. Tan also says the world economic scenario today is very much different from the economic situation during the Great Depression, which hit the US in 1929, because today the world has an alternate source of economic growth, which is China. Tan also says China is currently the strongest economy in the world.
Now, a lot of Western economists will say that the US economy is 25% of the world economy, and the Chinese economy is only about 8% of the world economy. But that's only looking at reality from one angle. The other dimension is the rate of growth.
Meanwhile, on the local scene, according to Tan, Malaysia will definitely be able to ride on the coming global recovery, but adds that political uncertainty locally may stunt the expected bull run.
What probably will happen is that, I suppose, because of the overhang of the political landscape, the uncertain political landscape, you might not get a really broad-based, full-fledged type of bull market that we saw in, say, 93, 94.
Among uncertainties which may cloud the economic outlook is the Perak political crisis and another potential political crisis in Terengganu. Daniel Koo reporting for the HTV.